Nika is a tooth fairy. She likes to dress up, and I thought it would be cute to have her collect little doggy teeth since there's Halloween candy. What better way to incorporate a tooth fairy?
Twinkie Lee is a sandcastle, and Noodle is the little beachgoer in her bikini with her pail and shovel. Well, living in Sarasota with the best beaches, it's just made sense to put them in something that celebrated where we're at and where we live, and they love dressing up every year. They like the attention that they get, and we use the opportunity to raise awareness for rescues, how great rescue dogs are.